Tired of dealing with a cracked or worn-out key fob case? This keyless remote replacement cover offers a simple fix that restores your key fob's look and function without the hassle of buying a whole new remote. It's designed to fit seamlessly, matching the exact dimensions of your original transmitter cover for a snug, secure seal. Replacing your key fob case couldn't be easier. Just pop open the new case, remove the internals from your damaged one, and swap them over. No modifications or special tools needed. This convenience saves you time and money, making it a smart choice for anyone wanting to extend the life of their keyless entry remote. Beyond just appearance, this replacement cover protects your key fob's internal electronics from moisture and debris. That means fewer issues down the road and better reliability every time you use your remote. It's a small investment that preserves your key fob's performance and durability. Worried about fit? You can quickly check compatibility by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the online garage tool. This ensures you get the exact case designed for your key fob, avoiding any guesswork or returns. One satisfied customer shared how this case fixed their 2003 Toyota Camry remote perfectly. The swap took just 15 seconds, with no need for adjustments or modifications. That kind of straightforward solution is exactly what you want when your key fob case starts to fall apart. If you're ready to bring your key fob back to life, this replacement case is worth a look. It's affordable, reliable, and built to fit like the original. No more cracked covers or worrying about damaging your remote's electronics. Try it when you're ready to save time and avoid the cost of a full remote replacement. With this cover, you get a trustworthy repair that feels like new, and keeps your key fob working smoothly for years to come.